Hey, in this video I'll show you how I use Claude to write content. So it's really a great tool for doing that. So this is how I start. So I will start a chat. You can create also a project if you wish, it's even better. Inside the project I will start a chat which basically says this. This chat will be dedicated to creating posts for LinkedIn, Threads and Blue Sky. And now I've set Claude to start working with me on my content. So the next thing I'm going to do is give Claude a tone of the way I write. Before asking him to write content, I will give him a sample of the kind of posts I write. So I'll start with LinkedIn. So I'll go here in my Notion content management, and this is a post I've written for today, which will be posted today automatically from my content management system. So what I'll do is I'll copy paste this post here, and I'll say to Claude, take this post as a baseline for writing other posts. So I'll copy paste the post that I've written for LinkedIn for today, and then I'll ask Claude to integrate that. Okay, so now Claude has kind of a feeling of my tone of voice, because it's important, obviously, in this age of AI, where a lot of content is generated by AI, to stand out and make sure that your content has the tone of your voice. But definitely, it's really great to have an AI tool such as Claude to help you build that content. Okay, now, so before asking Claude to build me my LinkedIn content, I will first use ChatGPT, which I've been using for 3 years, to generate a prompt that I will use for Claude. So I believe it's really good practice to use multiple LLMs. Each one has its strength. So ChatGPT is quite good at generating prompts for other AI tools. That's what I'm going to do now. I've given the contents of the LinkedIn post that I want Claude to generate, and I'll ask ChatGPT to generate that prompt for Claude right away. So ChatGPT has generated the prompt for Claude here. So it looks nice. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and give it to Claude right away. And ask Claude to generate that LinkedIn post. Let's see how it goes. Result looks pretty good. So what I'll do is I'll work on this and maybe do a few updates, and then I can plan it in my content system for my next post on LinkedIn. So it looks really good. Next thing I'm going to do is ask Claude to generate 10 posts on X based on one of my LinkedIn posts. So basically reading one of my LinkedIn posts and then generating 10x posts which are related to the topic. And here I've generated a prompt from ChatGPT to do that. And I just need to add now the LinkedIn post, which is here in my content system. I'll copy the whole LinkedIn post here and paste it here to the prompt to Claude. Okay, so here's the result. Looks pretty good. So I've got now 10 posts for X that Claude has generated. I can now check them out and add them to my schedule for X. So thank you for having watched this video. You know how to use Claude to help you in content writing. If you want, you can check out our website for other tutorials on content and also our products, and especially we have a Notion content system that you might be interested in looking into, which I'll show in another video can be integrated with Claude. So see you for next video. Bye.